Good morning to all the students. Now we are going to study the third stanza of the poem A Wedding Song. Behold, while she before the altar stands. The poet says, look at the beauty of this girl, his beloved, because the poet loves the lady and he is going to marry her, and he is standing beside her, and he praises her beauty through this poem. So he says to all the onlookers to look at her when she enters the temple. Hearing the holy priest that to her speak, and when the priest comes, जब पुजारी आता है उनकी शादी की रस्में करता है, कुछ मंत्र का जाप करता है, the priest speaks some mantras to solemnize or to make their marriage immortal, and blessed her with her two happy hands, and the priest blesses her, the beloved of the poet, with his two hands. ऐसे आशीर्वाद देते हैं अपना हाथ करके, उसी तरह पुजारी उसको आशीर्वाद दे रहा है कि खुश रहो, अपनी जिंदगी में आगे सफल रहो. How the red roses flush up in her cheeks. Her cheeks, so reddish, looks like the red rose. So that's why she is looking very beautiful. And the pure snow with goodly vermil stain. Vermil stain, सिंदूर लगा हुआ है. और she is so beautiful, looking like snow, पूरी white रंग की है और उसके ऊपर सिंदूर लगा हुआ है, like crimson dyed in grain, that even the angels that continually about the sacred altar do remain, forget their service and about her fly. जो देवदूत भगवान की रक्षा में खड़े हैं, वो देवदूत भी कवि की प्रेमिका की सुंदरता को देखकर अपनी ड्यूटी भूल जाते हैं, अपना कर्तव्य भूल जाते हैं, and they begin to stare at her beauty. The angels who are at the guard of the god, they forget their duty when they look at the awesome beauty of the beloved of the poet. While the ceremonies, the rituals are being performed to make the marriage immortal. Of peeping in her face, they look at her face and seems more fair, the more they on it stare. और जितनी बार वे उस कवि की बिलविड प्रेमिका के चेहरे की तरफ देखते हैं, उसका चेहरा उतना ही ज्यादा सुंदर, सुहाना और फेयर नजर आता है. But her sad eyes still fastened on to the ground. But the eyes of the lady love of the poet is still fixed to the ground. This shows her reverence, her obedience towards God. And governed with goodly modesty, because she is modest, she is sober lady, that's why she doesn't look up but look down. This shows her modesty, which all the other virgin girls should also learn from her. That suffers no one look to glance o'er, which may late in a little thought and sound. And the lady possesses a high kind, high level of heart, soul, that a bad thought never can enter her mind. उसकी प्रेमिका इतनी सुंदर है, ना केवल फिजिकली बल्कि मन से भी, कि उसके अंदर एक भी बुरा विचार उसके मन में प्रवेश नहीं कर सकता. वो मन से, वो तन से, हर जगह, हर चीज से वो सुंदर है. Why bless you, love, to give to me your hand? And when the lady love, the girl gives her hand, because when जब शादी होती है तो हमारे यहाँ दुल्हन दूल्हे का हाथ को पकड़कर फेरे खाते हैं. तो जब दुल्हन अपना हाथ दूल्हे के हाथ में देती हैं तो वो शर्माती हैं, और कवि उसको कहता है, Why are you feeling very much shy when you give your hand to me? when the rituals are being performed to make or solemnize our marriage. The pledge of our bond, pledge यानी कसम, और दोनों शादी की रस्में पूरी करते हैं, शादी के बंधन में बंध जाते हैं, कस्में खाते हैं, 7 जन्म साथ रहने का प्रण करते हैं. Sing a sweet angels, और जितने भी देवदूत है वो मधुर मधुर गीत गा रहे हैं, संगीत का और शादी का एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. That all the words may answer and your echo ring, और उनके संगीत की गूंज हर तरफ गूंज रही है, हर तरफ महक रही है. So students, in this stanza we studied about the rituals being performed to complete the marriage of the poet and his lady love. So students, we have completed 3 stanzas till now. I hope you understood it, and if you find any kind of problem, you may contact it through any mode, through mobile, or you may contact me too. Thank you very much.